Health, they say, is wealth. That is why the leader of the Senate, Senator Opeyemi Bamidele, CON, has prioritized healthcare delivery for the people of Ekiti Central Senatorial District since the commencement of the 10th Senate. In the last 2 years of his stewardship as leader of the 10th Senate, Senator Opeyemi Bamidele has demonstrated his commitment to a healthy society in Ekiti Central through various medical interventions, both via established health institutions and direct medical outreaches. Recently, the Ekiti State Governor, Biodun Oyebanji, led eminent personalities of the state to inaugurate 150 newly built hostel rooms for male and female medical students of Ekiti State University, a project facilitated by the Senate leader, Senator Opeyemi Bamidele. Construction is also ongoing on the second phase of the hostel project. And at the recently concluded Senate Leaders Mega Empowerment Program in Ado-Ekiti, where over 5,000 constituents benefited, healthcare delivery was not left out. 5 brand new ambulances were donated by Senator Bamidele to various health and tertiary institutions in Ekiti State. Beneficiaries institutions include the Federal Teaching Hospital, Ado-Ekiti, the School Health Technology, Ijeru, Ekiti, the Federal University, Oye, Ekiti, the Federal University of Technology and Environmental Science, Iyi, Ekiti, and Madam Tinuola Bamidele Daycare Center, Iyi, Ekiti. Across Ekiti State, it is also on record that construction of the modern diagnostic center at the Ekiti State University Teaching Hospital at Ado-Ekiti and the development of intensive care units ICU amenities in 5 local government areas within Ekiti Central Senatorial District are currently ongoing. As part of efforts to bring healthcare delivery to the doorsteps of his constituents, Senator Opeyemi Bamidele has facilitated 2 rounds of medical outreaches across Ekiti Central in the last 2 years. Over 16,000 residents have benefited. The Ewe of Ado-Ekiti, Oba Rufus Adeyemo Adejugbe, commended Senator Bamidele for the initiative, noting that his achievements further prove that having a ranking federal lawmaker can be of immense benefit to the state.
ẹni tí ò gbọ́ àjẹkán gbọ́ ẹni tí ó wá lánàá kó gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yìí sọ glasses lọ́rọ̀ kó n fẹ́ wá gbà bóyá ojú yọ lẹ́nu tí ó mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó fààyè ojú tó yọ lẹ́nu ó wà ní abẹ́ aṣọ tó lè pààyàn láìrò tẹ́lẹ̀ tó náà mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ àdẹ̀gbà aládùúrà pé á kéré òkú wálé lu àdúró tì í.
The Alare of Are-Ekiti, Obagboluwade Adebiyi, also expressed his support for the Senate Leaders Medical Outreach Initiative.
It's a welcome development, it's a laudable one, because health is wealth. If you are wealthy and you are not healthy, you are at a 0 level. So it is when you are healthy that you can enjoy the wealth at your disposal.
Some beneficiaries appreciated the Senate leader for his progressive and people-focused approach to politics, aimed at providing medical relief for the underprivileged.
MOB has been the distinguished Senate leader. This is not his first time of offering free medical services to us here and across board in Ado. So we are extremely very grateful. He has been doing it from time to time. And what really makes this one special is that I saw some people being referred for surgery, free surgery, and some other very terrible disease there. And they are trying to take up the bill at the teaching hospital and others. I think that is extraordinary. I want to commend the distinguished senator for doing this for us, though we know that is his nature. But more importantly, we from Idofin here and from Ado Ekiti in general, we are extremely very grateful for this free medical service.
It is a very good thing. He thought deeply before he came out with this idea. Because you can see how people troop out to see the status of their health. So we are so much happy about it. I'll be here since 9 o'clock. It's not yet my turn. There are many people here on ground waiting to get some other thing. Either they are here for their eyes, for their ear, for their teeth, for their heads. Generally, everybody is very anxious to know their status.
Mo appreciate, inú mi dùn pé torí nǹkan tó tiẹ̀ táìmù ìtàn gbé sí yìí ó wà òkè torí kò sẹ́ni tí ò ṣàárẹ̀ báyìí, kò sẹ́ni tí ò strong, but mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn pé wọ́n ṣeun kí ara wa lè le dáadáa.
Mo gbà pé ó tọ́jú mi o torí mo wá sí níbẹ̀ wọ́n ti fún mi lóògùn mob ètò kò ṣe ètò kò dára ní lágbára Ọlọ́run á jèrè òṣèré ẹ̀ àgbọ́mọ sọnù kété bí kò wá ti fẹ́ kú dé lọ́lọ́run lóòdùmọ̀ làjẹ́ dé ẹ̀ àrógun alátakò so ó lè lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀ yà ṣẹ́ lẹ́rẹ̀kejì á dè ṣe láṣeyè ẹ̀rá yà kábùdá rẹ̀ gbogbo kìí ṣe Ọlọ́run á fún lérè bó ṣe fẹ́ kí a rí fún gbogbo èèyàn pẹ̀lú ìlera wàá rẹ̀ àlékalẹ̀ ẹ̀ ní ìdùbúlẹ̀ àìsàn àgbèdè àtọ́mátọ́yà.
Medical experts dispatched to all major towns in the district treated beneficiaries for various ailments, including hepatitis, hypertension, hernia, vision problems, and diabetes. Free glasses were also provided to those with vision impairment. The head of the medical team, Dr. Daniel Edema, gave an overview of the most recent round of outreach.
I think it's a very laudable project. The truth is, prevention is always better than cure. And prevention is not just better than cure, prevention is also cheaper than cure. And this has been actually not just a preventive, but also a therapeutic or a curative outreach to the people of the constituents of MOB in Ekiti State.
Two senior legislative aides to the Senate leader, Mr. Gbenga Oyebanji and Bumi Oguntuashe, reiterated that the initiative aims to improve life expectancy and bring the dividends of democracy closer to the people, regardless of age or status.
Well, it's a very fantastic gesture because the second round is quite different from the first round. The first round, we limited ourselves to the local government headquarters, but the second round, we moved down to the grassroots so that the aged people, the elderly people that cannot afford to come to the local government headquarters will now benefit.
This program is one of his projects, one of his programs for the people of his constituents. His promise during the electioneering campaign. And as you can see, for the past 2 months, we have been on the roads. We've been to 5 local governments. Today, we are rounding up at the palace of the road for Ekiti. Yesterday, we started in Ado Ekiti. We did 2 points in Ado Ekiti yesterday. Today, we are rounding up here. This is the program that the people need. Health, they say, is wealth. These elderly people that you see here, they don't have money, they don't know how to get to the hospital. Even the bureaucracy of getting to when you get to the hospital, from all of this, go and pay here, it's not here. We are giving drugs directly to the people. The doctors are attending to people directly. They are doing their vital signs. After that, they see the doctor, they go to wherever to take drugs. This is the program. This is the program for the people. This is what the people need. And Senator Opeyemi Bamidele knows what the people want.
MOB cares.